Bernina 790 Pro. Our video tutorial shows how to clean and oil the machine.
To clean, remove presser foot and needle, then lower the feed dog. Remove bobbin case and hook. Clean the display with a slightly damp cloth while the machine is switched off. The stitch plate is removed so that residues can be cleaned away. The best way to clean the hook race area is using a dry microfiber cloth. To clean the threader, the setup program must be activated. Press the Clean Thread Clamp symbol on the left. Follow the instructions shown in the display and press the Automatic Threader button so that the threader remains in the halfway position. Thread remnants and fluff can now be carefully removed. Once this has been done, the threader button is pressed again to return the threader to its position. To clean the thread catcher, select the symbol for the thread catcher and then follow the steps shown in the display. Remove thread scraps with tweezers and then press the automatic thread cutter button again so that the thread cutter moves back in the correct position for use. Add 1 drop of the enclosed Bernina sewing machine oil into the hook race. Add 1 drop of oil onto each of the felt pads of the hook. To reinsert the hook, the hole in the hook must correspond to the gray marking in the hook race, which should be approximately at the 6 o'clock position. To insert it, one method is to hold the hook with left and right index fingers, tilt it slightly downwards, and insert it into the hook race. An alternative method is to place the hook on the hook race ring so that the tip of the hook is over the left tip of the race ring. Then push the race ring upwards. The hook is magnetic and therefore pulled into the correct position. Press the hook race ring up to close until the release bracket engages with a click. The bobbin case can now be inserted. Then attach the stitch plate, insert a needle and attach the presser foot.
Bernina, made to create.